Hey guys, Billy Jenkins here with Silver Creek Doodles. Today is a video of go home day for Katie and Finn's litter of 12. So Katie and Finn's litter of 12, we don't have them all sold yet. So this is gonna be the ones that are already sold by 8 weeks old. So we've got, what? Seven will be on this video, so super excited. We've got, one leaving by the transporter. We've got some being picked up here. We're taking some to the airport. We're actually, meeting some families after we leave the airport. All kinds of stuff, but we want to go ahead and show and just kind of start making this video, put it together, and then the ones that we have left, they're just gonna have to have their separate video. We are so blessed to already have 7 of these puppies reserved and going home. We have one that's actually staying a couple extra days. That's okay. Their family's not gonna be back in town, until a Tuesday, which today's Sunday. But let's go ahead and start. So our first puppy that leaves is Miss White, and it is with a transporter. We've gotten our bath this morning and she did a good job. Yes, ma'am. All right, Miss White. The first one is always the hardest to go. She's leaving in about 5 minutes. Our transporter should be here at 8 a.m. Come on, come on. Come on. Oh, good job, Miss Prince. Good girl. Good girl, pee-peeing before you leave. Good girl, Miss White. I love you. I love you. Such a sweet girl. Yes, ma'am. You're such a sweet girl. Yeah. Sweet girl. I'm gonna miss you. I'm gonna miss you. Say good morning, Miss Stacia. All right. She's such a good girl. Good girl, Miss White. You be a good girl for the ride.
Hey, how are you? Good, how are you? Good.
Hi, handsome. Oh, you look so good.
Bro, Annie?
Oh, you smell good. Hi, love.
Say hi, Mom.
Oh, hi, baby.
Are you just snoozing?
She's pretty cute, though.
Yeah, she's getting
She's
cuter.
having a moment with you.
I know, right? Just like having a swan over here.
What are you doing, girlfriend?
Is that your new dad? Huh?
Nice sweet girl. Bye-bye. You pretty girl.
Say thanks for everything.
So we are taking 2 puppies to Charlotte. So if you had just seen, we had Miss Pink and Mr. Yellow go home. We had them pick up in person. Now we've got Miss Red and Mr. Black. We're taking to Charlotte.
Hey.
Surprises. I'm Bill. Alright. Thanks.
Thanks, guys. Y'all
We'll probably be in touch.
Yes. I'll be texting you later today.
Okay, good.
Thanks. Safe travels. All right, so we're getting our last snuggle since we're waiting in the cell phone lot. Just waiting on Mama to arrive. Yeah, getting our last snuggles. You good girl before your plane ride? Good girl, Miss Red. You want me to hold anything for you?
Oh yeah. Oh, this is for you. Oh, thank you for everything. Why, thank you, Daddy. Oh. Oh, she's so tiny.
She's been a good girl. She's been doing really good.
Oh,
thank you. All right. Just one. So it's something new.
This one or this one?
It was so nice to meet you in person.
Nice meeting you too. Yeah. If I get another one from you later,
You need to come and stay longer next time.
yeah. Hi. Oh, it's okay. Are you good? Hi. Oh, cool. Hi, babe.
Tray tables or stuff, as well as those new back to my shoulders about that holding your tablet or something. Those need to be
Oh my god. Oh, she's an angel. Hey. I love you.
Now we've got Mr. Green, so his family is actually local. They, as soon as I posted the available video of him, they contacted me and they're like, let's come and see him. So we were so excited. They're rebuyers, so they already have a puppy from us, but they're locals here. Say hi, Mr. Green. So he already got his bath, got his trim up, shaved, you know, his paws, did his nails, all that good stuff. So he's our big boy. He's Mr. Green. But they should be here any minute, so we'll go ahead and show that too.
Here you go, my little buddy. Hello, Finley.
Is that his name?
Yes.
Finley, good. Mr. Green? Wagging that tail.
You want to go see your daddy? Oh, hello. You go see your daddy.
He said, I remember you.
Yes, he's giving kisses here. Get some hugging. Make sure you got his bottom.
He said, I remember you guys.
Hello, pumpkin. Oh, hello, baby. Oh, hello, sweetie. Oh, you my little buddy.
Are you ready? You ready to go for a ride? Sweet boy. All right, so it is another day and we have Miss Lavender going to her new home. Is she not so sweet? So this family had already purchased her. They already reserved her, what, like 2 weeks ago, I think. And they weren't gonna be able to pick up exactly when she turned 8 weeks old, but a few days after. So she is actually our last puppy that is reserved that's going home. I am so grateful they were actually able to come and choose her. So we did do a video on that, but they were able to come and visit and actually choose her. So those are super special to me. But you know it's down. She's really cute, really sweet. Just, you know, I mean, she's playful just like the others, but like she got her bath and all of that. And we'll show that in just a second, but they should be here in about an hour, but she is ready. She is ready to go. And she is a sweet girl. Did you do a good job, Miss Lavender? Good girl. Oh my goodness, she did so perfect for her bath, didn't you? Yes, you did. All right, let's get dry. We got an hour. We got an hour. There she is. Hey. She has done so good today getting ready.
Yeah.
She's a good girl. She's so sweet.
Most of our time is at home.
Where you going? Where's she going?
Pretty girl. All right, Miss Lavender. Are you hiding from me? Are you hiding?
Well, you want to sit with who's gonna be?
Big moment.
Yep,
right.
we're off to a big adventure.
Yes. And she is too.
I know she's going somewhere.
All right, you pretty girl. All right, so thank you for watching. So these are the puppies from Katie's litter that obviously were already pre-sold and already had homes that have went to their home. So we still have 5, so it was a litter of 12, but we still have 5 that are actually looking for their homes as of this point. So don't forget to check out any of our future or past, just a few videos back, that might show which ones are still available. If it's your first time here, don't forget to hit that subscribe link. We'll see you next time. Bye.